Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords umkhokha the curse. Can we honestly start with Usibahle, right? Usibahle naye is traumatized by the whole Mam Zobe thing. Usibusiso is also traumatized by the whole Mam Zobe thing, but Usibahle wants a shoulder to cry on. Remember, Usibahle, this whole Mam Zobe thing has not hurt her directly as an individual. She's not affected by the whole thing directly as an individual, but Ugirl needs a shoulder to cry on. Ugirl does not feel safe. Umam Zobe might come and bewitch her at night. So Ugirl wants Usbula to sleep over. These two are playing on dangerous grounds, but nonetheless, she asked Usbu to sleep over, and Usbusiso agreed. That's not the problem. The problem is, remember, as much as Undlovu cannot do anything, as much as Undlovu cannot walk, as much as Undlovu cannot feed himself, as much as Undlovu cannot do this and that, Undlovu can hear everything loud and clear. So Undlovu is hearing his own daughter, who was unable to secure Uzamqolo, now securing a whole Sibusiso. Dlala Sibahle. Dlala girl. Sibahle wathi, I'm scared. I need you to be here. Hey. Hi, asajabulile again. I was thinking ukuthi this is the time where the cookie jar will be opened. Yeah, but you'll be sleeping on the couch. Remember our church promises, our church vows, our church responsibilities. Guys, the relationship, as this for my phone, the relationship between Usibahle and Usbusiso is relationshiping. Its relationship goals at this point, ihamba nje emva kwayazamafu. Igijima nje emva kwale yakabo zamafu. Alright, then kube indaba kabani? Kube indaba kaNomafu. uNomafu had these whole dreams, and Ugirl had discussions no Kabsile. On her discussions no Kabsile explained everything, but furthermore Kabsile explained ukuthi she is seeing intambo and lentambo iyamthusa because then she feels ukuthi maybe it's her turn to leave, more especially because most of the family members Zakakomete, they passed due to suicide. Now uKabsile uku June July thinking ukuthi this is the situation that's going to happen to her. uNomafu ke akhulume noKabsile, calming Kabsile down, reminding Kabsile to say you must not stress. Remember, girl, you are pregnant and you need to make sure that you don't stress for the sake of your baby. So uKabsile ke is not stressing. However, uNomafu uyahamba, guys. Despite Uzamqolo saying, I don't want you to go there, uNomafu decided ukuthi she is going to talk noManzimande so that uManzimande azokwazi ukumsalela noVulindlela while yena ahamba ayofuna ithuna likaMzobe. Remember, uzile ephupheni lakhe uMthembu wathi do anything but hlukana nokufunana nethuna likaMzobe. I'm asking myself ukuthi why asho kanjalo uMthembu, because uhlulekile uMthembu, guys, to protect uNomafu or the family yakaNomafu from Umkhokha, because Umkhokha dealt with everybody proper. And we all felt sorry for Ukumete. We all felt sorry for Upagatai. We all cried noPagatai. But right now, Umthembu has the audacity to say to uNomafu ukuthi do not go that route. I was like properly angry. I was properly upset. Then Umam Zobe no Kabsile, they are now discussing this whole issue, right? While discussing this whole issue, Umam Zobe utiku Gabi, I think the only situation right now is for us to take ourselves to the police station. Girl, asambe siyozibopisa and sindlule. Indlule le ndaba. So Umam Zobe, I'm asking myself why afuna ukuhamba no Kabsile ukuyibopisa. Angisho uthe ku Kabsile, I'm going to protect you. I'm going to cover you. All this shame will be my shame and will be my shame alone. When a girl angeke uzungena. At this point, bemele athi nje uKabsile yonke into ayisho yamanga, uKabsile ufuna ukuprotect yena, and she's the one that is guilty and denies Kabsile's involvement. Athi uKabsile was a child or whatever reason. But ugirl is saying, Gabi, let's go get ourselves arrested. Then uPhakathi called them into order athi Pholani senishisa kakhulu imidogo. Pholani labantu laba bane-right ukuthi bathathe isikhathi sabo. I mean nithathe the whole mphefumulo wakamvelaphi. Like really? Hayi basabheke lokho ke uGabisile noNyoko ukuthi kwenzakalani kungene ke na ngoCry Baby naye. Hey uyazi yambuyela uGabisile kungena ulwazi manje. Sekuphumile uNomafu manje ama-shift ayashintshana kaGabisile. Ngena ulwazi akhale. Number one, ulwazi is crying because he believes ukuthi because uGabisile killed their god, at this point they are going to have a curse. A curse is going to be upon them and their child. Athi you've killed our whole god, and right now izinto ngeke zihambe kahle. And I stood up for you. I fought for you. I believed in you. But when instead of telling me the truth and exposing who you really are, you led me to this. I regret the day where where your sister paid me money to take you out on matric dance. Because if it was not for that day, I wouldn't be in this predicament. I was like, yo, ziyamkhalela uGabi. Ulwazi then went to cry to his mother. Athi mama, uyabona lento engizifake kuyo ngizisola 100%. Like 100% ngiyazisola ngabe nje ngenzeni. So umama khona I feel ukuthi this is going to be a door, an opportunity for her to push ukuthi lo akashade uJabu fast ukuthi angalinge ashade uGabisile. But she reassured ulwazi ukuthi we are going to raise your child together. Your child is not going to go and be raised kaMthembu. I mean kaGumede. Your child will be raised here, and I am going to do whatever it takes to protect your child from umkhokha. Guys, umkhokha shuthi angeke uzuphele. But ke indlule lapho ingene kubani? Ingene kuMazungu. Ukhumbula ukuthi uMazungu naye am-affecta because manje ngabe unomkhululi light. Akasanayo umkhululi light because of what? Iphenti leli uMamzobe waltshontshisa uGabisile. Iphenti uGabisile wayenza watshontshela wrong instead of ukuthi atshontshe likaMabusi watshontsha likabani? Watshontsha elika konjubani Nokubonga. So uNokubonga at this point her child vanishing. Now that is not the problem. The problem is uMazungu. Remember, she was the cheerleader, trusting uMamzobe. And her husband reminded her, hey girl, you cannot be saying all those things uMamzobe. There was a time where I warned you about uMamzobe. And when you packed your things and you were like, it's either me or Mamzobe, you disrespected me in ways that I never thought you as my wife would disrespect me. All in the name kaMamzobe. I girl wakwata. Did not even dish up porridge for the husband, just decided to leave. I was like, yo. Guys, I cannot believe that this series is coming to an end. But ke, abafazi bahlale ke basesontweni, uManzimande narrating everything to them. While uManzimande narrating everything to them, uMazungu wamkhumbuza ukuthi, yes, you did all these nice things to Mamzobe. Yes, you accepted her back to the church and you allowed her to start membership class from scratch. But remember, you are not guilty of anything. Mamzobe is a witch. So her Kemi decided to Kemi us. Yeah! Guys, everybody now is blaming their own decision, their own free will on Mamzobe's witchcraft. But again, I would use it as an scapegoat, right? But yeah, upon Zamxolo deciding to support uNomafu and living with uNomafu to find the grave of uMzobe, uManzimande decided to call uMkhandlo. When uMkhandlo gathered, they asked, why are we not waiting for uZamxolo? Because such decisions should not be done in his absence. And uManzimande wathi, nope, le ndaba iyaphuthuma, le ndaba ibucayi, ayifuni ukuthi silokho siyelela le. But we need to deal with uMamzobe and we need to deal with her decisively. At this point, iso ngeso. And if ayenzeki ngoso ngeso, I will not rest and I will not be at peace. Also, my husband will not rest. My husband will not be at peace. Guys, what's going to happen to uMamzobe? Like, I know she always has a trick up her sleeve. Ne? I hope that the storyline ends like that, right? So that they can give us a bit of teensy-weensy hope. Yoguti, the story will come back one day. Like, can they leave us with that teensy-weensy bit of hope to say the storyline will come back one day? But I think now we are on a few episodes left. We are legit 2 weeks left. Then Umkhokha the curse will be no more. how do you want it to conclude? Ufuna ukuthi iphele kanjani? What is your, like, what would you like to see in the end of the whole storyline? Yeah, no, I'm just excited about it. But this is your girl, Adisebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.